Good morning to all. Today I will discuss with you about meaning of patriarchy under the paper Gender, School and Society of Semester 4 B.Ed course. In this topic, we will know what does it mean. Means what does patriarchy mean? Its merit and demerit. Everything. It is simply mean when we talk about meaning of patriarchy. Patriarchy is nothing but it is a word which represents a system of society in which father or the oldest male is the leader of the family. This is one type of system, one particular type of system in which father lead the family. Father will take all the decision of the family and all other member will have to follow that decision. If father is absent anyhow, then oldest male will be the leader but not mother will be the leader. This is the main concept, that mother or female will not be the leader, only father or oldest male will be the leader of the family. Secondly, when we talk about patriarchy, in patriarchy all right, power and property is transferred from father to son. Everything is transferred from father to son, not to daughter. In spite of daughter is also a child of father, but everything is transferred from father to son. Daughter have no right to take anything from the father side. So what about females? Female are considered as subordinate and accessory. They have to behave like the accessory thing, accessory work. They have to consider as to complete the accessory work. And when we talk about subordinate is the category of people who work under the officer. They have to follow the order of the officer. Same thing is happening with the female in this type of society, in patriarchal society. Female are subordinate. They have to follow the order of the male person. They are only for the fulfill or attend the order. They have no idea and no concept. Okay, so when we discuss or look around the meaning of patriarchy, we can define it as a society that gives more social, political and economic power to the men is called patriarchy. This is the type of society in which everything means social, political and economic power is given to the men only. This is patriarchy. Patriarchy is common around the world and throughout the society. Patriarchy is found all over the world. It is common. Common means the thing which is found in everywhere. So this type of society is found everywhere around the world. Either it is developing or developed country. When we talk about in Western culture or Western society, there is also this type of patriarchal society we can found. It includes any social, political or economic mechanism that evoke male dominance over women. In this society, everywhere, either it is social, political or economic mechanism, male dominance over women means male ruled over women. Nobody have to no female have the right to disobey the male, but male have each type of right. They are right to dominance over women. For example, one best example for this is the last name that is given to a child is the example of patriarchy. Even mother gave birth to child, child taken birth from the mother. Everything which is needed for a child development is provided by mother, but the last name that is given to a child is the name of father. It just comes from the father side. So it shows the male dominance over women. And then one more example you can take as a property transfer to the boy only. I have already told you that property that is transferred to the boy, not to the girl. So this is the type of society. This is this one system of society, we can say that. So everything, if it is going on in our society, so they have some merit and demerit. So today let's see what are the merit of this society. If this society exists, then obviously it has some merit. So what are merits? Merit of patriarchy. First is no dispute and question and roles. The leader of the family is already decided, so there is no dispute and question on roles. Father will be the leader and the father will take the all decision, so there will be no dispute, no question. Okay. Then second one is no extra workload or no any type of extra responsibility. In this system, no more burden of leadership or responsibility given to the women. So they can focus on their primary responsibility of nurturing children or take care of home. So they female can perform their work with full efficiency. And in this type of society, work is divided, so there will be no extra workload on any gender. Now third merit is give a proper structure to the society. It is very mandatory to give a structure before anything is going. If it is very mandatory for an organization to for a smooth run, to give it proper structure. Society or family is a organization, we already know that. So this type of patriarchal system gives a structure to the society and a place and role for everyone. Everything is decided. Every role is member getting one role and place is decided. So it gives a proper structure to the society. Now fourth is proper direction and decision given to the family members. A male is only head who gives direction to the family member and encourage them to serve others. So there will be no dispute and the work going smoothly. And then final last merit is moral development. So moral development is one more aspect of this merit of this type of patriarchal society, because from the beginning, from birth, child have to play their role and responsibility, and according to that role they know what they have to do, and that this type of guideline which is provided by the society, it becomes very much helpful for the moral development of the student or child. So these are the merit of patriarchal society. Now we can say that every aspect, everything have good or bad aspect. So what are demerit of this type of society? So look, demerit of patriarchy. Here women are completely neglected. In patriarchal system, women are completely neglected and their path of development is blocked, because they have society given them role to nurture a child and take care of home only. Means they have to stay at home, not go anywhere. Then second one is inequality. Women in this type of society, women are not provided equal status to the men. So obviously inequality is existing in this patriarchal society. Now third demerit is complete disregard of women. In this system, completely disregard the role of women. In this system, mainly focus is on the men, and the main work is of male member is to earn money. So they think that, or this member of this society think that only earning money is the work, and the if some lady or any lady is stay at home and taking care of the home, she is jobless and she is doing nothing. So in here, complete disregard of women work or role. Now next demerit is exploitation and harassment of women. Women becomes victim of exploitation and harassment in this type of society. I already told you that in this society, in this type of society,
mechanism evoke the male dominance over the woman. So if somebody dominating on other, then obviously first will be the harassed by the other people. So male is responsible for harassment of women. Now next demerit is women are not involved in any decision making. Women are only, they have to play the role of follower. In spite of they have cognitive ability, they have mind, they are able to take decision and take part in decision making, but in this type of society they have no right to take part or involved in any decision making. So their ability is all ignored, and their respect, self-respect is also ignored in this type of society. So it becomes a big demerit of this patriarchal society, that it is not helpful for overall development of society. Every part of society is not developed in this patriarchal system. So today we will know about the meaning, merit, demerit of patriarchal society. So thank you class, thank you for watching my video.